So here it is, the Insta360 Go 3. A highly anticipated update since they're really awesome Go 2, and as you can see, there's some extra awesome features about this one, but still, it's a tiny little camera, but also has some big features. So in the box, you get the Go 3 camera, and I just love their packaging. It's just always really fun to open these boxes. You get a quick start guide, and then you get the camera housing, which will charge the Go 3 and also has a display to see your shot and navigate around. It comes with a hat mount, so you put this on the brim of your hat and then you can just put your Go 3 on there, and it sits nice and easily. It doesn't push your hat down at all, and it gives you that really just good like kind of POV shot from up here. There's also an adhesive mount and this really nice quick release quarter thread mount, and you get the lanyard, which you just put around your neck, you put it under your shirt, and your Go 3 just attaches like that, getting some really good POV shots as well. You also get a lot of documentation and manuals. You get the USB-C charging cable and some stickers. And the Go 3 itself, it looks really nice and compact, and I love the back grips on here. And it's also magnetic, so you can put this on anything metal. And it's got an array of microphones around it, giving you stereo sound, but also giving you a more focused fixed sound if you want it that way. It's a nice view, huh, Gibby?
Yeah.
And to be honest, this case is a huge upgrade over the Go 2. I mean, the fact that it just sits right in there and you have this flip up screen to see your shot if you're vlogging or just to preview it from the back as you're going, it just works so well. I mean, you can have it recording and then you can pop it right out of the case while it's in the middle of recording too. And that way you can actually preview your Go 3 shot from afar and you can take pictures or videos if you have a weird angle. It works perfect for that. This has phenomenal stabilization built right into it. And you can even put it on their free frame setting and you can just spin this thing around no matter how much you want, and it will keep everything locked onto the horizon and just keeping it insanely smooth. Now, the big thing people will be asking about is the fact that it doesn't have 4K quality, because the highest resolution you get on this thing is 2.7K at 30 frames per second. Or you can bump it down to the 1K setting at 50 frames per second. But this is what it looks like in its full 2.7K 30 frames per second glory. I love that you can just have this in your case. You can preview your own shot. You can pop this out, get different shots, put it anywhere that the camera can't go typically. And if you're doing any family traveling and looking for a little camera that won't take up a lot of space in your bag, it's kind of fun and you can capture some great memories, this is definitely one to consider. Or even if you're just looking to get some really creative shots or some behind the scenes footage of what you're doing, there's just a lot of ways that you can use this and use it creatively. And I'm just really excited to play around with this.